All right, it's time for a check of that weekend forecast with Olga Ospina. Olga, what are we looking at this weekend?
You know what? We're looking at a little bit of wet weather for today, cooler temperatures. However, I think you are going to love the extended forecast. I have 80s for you as we head into next week. First, want to show you the watches and warnings in place. So this is actually going to go into effect by later this afternoon into the evening hours. Winter weather advisory, that's going to be across some of those mountain areas, including the I-5, where we could see a little bit of snow, especially by late tonight, and wind advisory really for a lot of us, those higher elevations, our mountain areas, as well as places like the Santa Clarita and the San Fernando Valley into the Antelope Valley for some gusty winds. Here's a look at that satellite radar 3-hour loop showing us some very light scattered showers across our region. Really nothing too significant, but we'll continue tracking this for you, and I'll show you what to expect as we look at our future tracker and show you hour by hour that rain, that very light rain moving across Southern California as we continue through the morning and even into the afternoon hours. Again, a lot of us may not even be impacted by this, but keep this in mind. We'll also see some more cloud cover, and yes, those cooler temperatures as well. Most of us not getting out of the 60s. Here's what happens by late tonight. You can see some of that snow developing across places like the I-5, so we could get about an inch or two across places like the Grapevine by late tonight into the early part of your Monday, and then things really clearing out pretty nicely by tomorrow morning. So by tomorrow, after that low moves through, we're going to see a shift in the winds. We get more of those offshore winds, and we are in for some significant warming. Temperatures are good. 15 degrees warmer than what we're expecting today. Numbers outside right now, if you're heading out, 50s, even some upper 40s for Pasadena, mid 40s in San Bernardino and Ontario. And here's a look at temperatures across our region. So yesterday we were in the 70s. Today 60s for most of us, upper 50s for the high desert, low 40s in the mountains. There's that area of low pressure. Once that moves out, some cold air left behind, and the shift in the winds, those offshore winds helping to warm us up. We're going to continue under high pressure, and that is going to bring us, look at these impressive temperatures. I love this. Mid 70s by Tuesday, 80s by Thursday and Friday with some sunshine. Still looking good on Saturday, mid 70s. As we take a look at the valleys, you too will be feeling those warmer temperatures, upper 70s as we head into the middle and the end of the week. Inland Empire, a few scattered showers, especially early this morning, and then you will see some sunshine and mid 70s. Same goes for the beaches. We're talking about those offshore winds that really push that hot air down from the deserts into coastal areas as well. So we'll be getting the benefits there along the coastline with mid 70s by Thursday. High desert turning into near 70 degrees. And for the mountains, we'll be keeping an eye on conditions across mountain areas by late tonight into early Monday, as we could see a few impacts across the Grapevine. We will be right back.